Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I got a Samsung portable SSD. First of all, I acquired this SSD on Amazon from the last Prime Day sale, and this is the Samsung portable SSD T7. This is a 2 terabyte portable SSD. On Amazon right now, it's going for $131.37. I actually got it for $106. And usually on the pricing of portable SSDs, I've seen 1 terabyte SSDs go for $100. So the way I look at it, $100 for every 1 terabyte. This is 2 terabytes, should be $200. I got it for $106. Works with Windows, Mac, and Android. Up to 1,050 megabytes per second. If anyone that doesn't know, 1,000 megabytes is 1 gig. Portability, slim and lightweight portable storage for 2 terabyte, 1 terabyte, and 500 gigabyte, depending on your version of the T7. Reliability, password protection, AES 256-bit hardware encryption, durable metal body, optimized for drop resistance up to 2 meters. Super fast external storage. Compatibility, support for PCs, phones, and other devices. Samsung portable SSD software is compatible with Windows 7 and higher, Mac OS 10.10 and higher, Android 5.1, Lollipop, and higher. And this does come in assortment of colors, and as you can see right here, I got the gray one. First thing you're greeted with in the box is the actual T7. This thing is super thin and extremely light. Here you got your USB-C to USB-A and your USB-C to USB-C. And of course, the instruction guide. Looking over it real quick, you got a bunch of info on one side with a QR code, tells you the model. And it actually has a rated DC plus 5 volt to 1.5 amps. Now looking at this end right here, you could see there's a USB-C port. Doesn't matter if it's USB-C to USB-A or USB-C to USB-C. And over there, you can see that little gray dot. Yeah, that looks like a status light to me. And of course, on the back, you have Samsung portable SSD T7. This is my very first SSD. I mean, look how small it is in my hands. All the files on my computer, backing this up, and this is going to be my main backup drive now. I did have an external HDD. Now I got an SSD. So that was only 1 terabyte. This is 2. Can't wait to start using it. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you in this video today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at the Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.